Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have STYLEVANA products to use for June. Do you want to know what I'll be using this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, June's products just arrived for me to use by STYLEVANA. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, STYLEVANA literally can be your one-stop shopping for anything and everything you need, K-beauty and J-beauty related. They don't just have skincare, which they have all of the best brands and so much stuff to choose from, but they also have hair products, they have makeup. Again, they have everything for you on their website readily available. You can always use my code INF10 SheCrafty, and that will get you an additional 10 to 15% off their already low prices, depending on what's accumulated in your cart at checkout, but always at least 10 or could go up to 15 based on what's accumulated again in your cart. So you can always use that code to save some money. So I'm so thankful that they give you guys a discount to save some extra money. So every month they send me just a variety of products for me to use. I test them out, I use them for you guys, and I absolutely love everything that they send to me. Plus, at least when you do shop with them, you can be rest assured that everything's going to be authentic. You're gonna have it shipped quickly. It's gonna come package protected, everything. So I absolutely love STYLEVANA. Let's go ahead and dive in. I'm actually super excited because I see all of these are one brand and it's Frito, and I absolutely love that brand. So I'm so excited to see what those are going to be because I haven't even really looked at any of these. I've just held them up for you guys to see. So let's go with these three first since these are not the same brand, and then we're gonna go through all of those. So the first thing here says AC Solution Acne Body Wash. Okay, so for this one, I'm not gonna take you in the shower with me. You're welcome. But I will tell you about this actual product and I will be using it in the shower. So again, it is an acne body wash, an effective cleaner that helps soothe and purify acne skin. Fine and rich creamy foam with effective acids formula can help thoroughly remove skin waste and sebum. And it also contains ingredients that can help moisturize. Directions: pump 3 to 4 times on your hand or a shower sponge and make rich and creamy foam. Gently rub your body with it. Rinse your skin with warm water for external use only. Don't be sticking it any place you don't need to be putting it. All right, you guys. So again, it is a body wash that has the acne fighting benefits in there to help with acne prone skin. I know a lot of people even get acne like on their shoulders, their back. I mean, you can get it pretty much anywhere. So this would be a great thing, especially if you had it like that. So I can't wait to use it. It says for troubled skin, G9 skin, acne body wash. And there you go. That's a really good size too. So there's the first item. All right, so this right here says it is daily masks, some by me or some by my. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that one. It's a hyperallergenic daily mask with vitamin C and some other great benefits in there as well. And it's for brightening and radiance care. So you have this whole container here. Let me grab my knife so I can cut the seal. Okay. You have tongs right there on the lid. I don't know if you can attach this once you open it here. Let's see. Or if it just pops off all the way like that. And then you have it. There's a lot of liquid. There's a lot of liquid down inside of here. Yeah, all that liquid is down inside. And it says, does it tell me how many masks are in here? I don't see like a quantity, but there is a whole lot of them down inside of here. Let me go ahead and put the lid back on. Okay, so I can't get mine to stay on. Like I've literally sat here for like 5 minutes trying to get this thing to stay on. I can hear it click like a few times, but it's not staying. It's not staying on. It is not staying on. It just comes right off. But if it did stay all the way down, which it's not, then you can open this little piece here and open it up and reach inside. But again, this still, I don't know if it's just the way that it's settled, like how it's kind of pushed in right here. I'm not sure, but I've literally tried everything to push this down and it's not working. So this doesn't stay on mine. Hopefully if you buy this, you can get it to stay down, but for the life of me, I can't. So I'm just gonna have to leave it like this, maybe put a rubber band around it to make sure it doesn't pop off when I'm not using it. But here are all of these different masks down inside, and I'm sure it's like any mask. I have liquid all over in front of me from trying to close this thing. I'm sure it's like any mask. You just put it on your face, 10 to 15 minutes later, pull it off on a clean, dried face after you cleanse and toned. Put it on, leave it on 15 to 20 minutes, take it off, and then pat in any essence, and you are good to go. I love a good sheet mask, nothing to wash off, rinse off, nothing afterwards. You just nice, beautiful skin. I love it. So here is a set of all of these masks, and I'm still trying to lock that down. It's not working. Oh my, I lost my tongs. Hold on, I lost my tongs. Let me put these back in there. Nope, see, and I thought, oh, I got it. Nope. Nope. Okay, I give up. There's that. Then let's go with this right here. This says Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil. I always tell you guys, I actually prefer a cleansing balm over a cleansing oil. However, I do use both. It's just something's been in here since I've been a kid. I've never liked oily products, the feel of oily stuff. It's in there. And I don't think I've tried a black deep cleansing oil. So it comes in this dark colored bottle here. And let's see what the instructions say. This Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil is perfect for mild, deep cleansing with ingredients extracted from natural black grains. Directions: pump an adequate amount of the Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil into dry palms. Gently massage over your face in order from forehead, nose to cheeks. Rinse off with lukewarm water 2 to 3 times. Can't wait to try that out. Now let's go with all 4 of these Porrito products. I'm so excited. So this first one right here says Wonder Relief Centella Eye Cream Unscented. Ooh, what do we have? There's the eye cream, a serum, a toner, and a cream. Oh my gosh, this is like a whole skin routine right here. Like, oh my goodness. So let's get this one opened. I'm so excited. Ooh, and I love like this cup. This looks more of like a lime green to me, but then this right here looks more of like a mint green. That is a beautiful color. I love those colors. So this is the, again, Wonder Relief Centella Eye Cream. It is unscented and it is soothing. It's a 30 ml. A soothing solution infused with Korean centella. This cream is formulated to calm irritation on sensitive skin around the eye area. So after you are cleansed and toned, just add a little bit to your eye area, pat that in, and you are good to go. I'm going to show you now the toner because this would be like the first step of this. I didn't realize it's kind of like an actual like whole skincare routine in one, or else I would have started with this one. Oh my gosh, is it gonna look the same? Oh my goodness, that is beautiful packaging. If you guys follow me, you know how obsessed I am with like the mint green, the teal green. I just love that color. So this is the Wonder Relief Centella Toner Unscented for soothing. It's a 200 ml. After cleansing, place a moderate amount of the toner on your palm or a cotton pad. Swipe it over the skin and lightly pat to absorb. And that's what I have been doing, and I've been telling you guys, I've just been putting it in my palms of my hands. I always do my skincare routine right out of the shower, so I'm as clean as I'm ever going to be. I can't get any cleaner than that. So the first thing I do when I get out is I'll go ahead and just pour some toner on my hands, and then I'll just pat it around and just kind of like press it into my skin. Let that completely dry, and then whatever I'm going to use after that. So in here, I would be using the serum next. So let me go ahead and open this. Oh, I'm so excited to see what the packaging is going to look like. Oh my goodness, yes. Look at how gorgeous that color is. So for this one, here is the top of it. That's how you apply. And it says a soothing solution infused with Korean centella. This serum is formulated to calm irritation and redness on sensitive skin. So after cleansing and toning, add this to your skin. It doesn't have instructions, but just like any serum, add it to your skin, pat it in for better absorption, and you are good to go. I can't wait. I love this color, and I'm gonna love to be able to use all of these at once. So toner, serum, eye cream, and then the last one right here is, this is the Wonder Relief Centella Cream Unscented for Soothing. It is a 50 ml. I'm not sure if I said this one. This one's a 60 ml. And look, and how can you not tell what goes with what? Like, you could just follow the color. Follow my nose. Follow the color, and then you'll have everything for that night. This is so cool. So again, the Wonder Relief Centella Cream. And this one is gonna say how to use it. As a moisturizing step, take a quarter-sized amount and massage into the skin with your fingertips until fully absorbed. So again, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. And I absolutely love this brand, and I haven't used any of these because I've never seen this gorgeous packaging before, but I'm so glad I have it now. That is gorgeous. Okay, so there are the 4 items by Porito that I'm so excited about. And then I have the cleansing oil, which I can do first of this. You have these daily masks. So there's a whole lot of them. And then there is a body wash. Okay, you guys, so again, that is everything that they sent for me to use for June. I'm just super, super impressed with the packaging. And again, I love this brand, so I'm so excited to try this out. And then these other 3 items, I can't wait to try out as well because I've never used those before. So there's that. So comment down below and let me know, have you used any of these products? Do you now want to? Have you purchased anything from STYLEVANA before? Do you want to? Do you have a cart buildup? Let me know. And don't forget that INF 10 SheCrafty will save you 10 to 15% off if you are interested. They will all be linked down below, and each individual link to what I receive here will be in the description box as well. So if you want to just check out one or multiple items that I have here, they will be listed, or their main website will be listed. You can see everything that they have to offer, and they have a whole lot. And if you would like to check out more information about me or my animals, learn more about other companies or discount codes, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com, and I have everything right there for you guys. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.